Hello, welcome to my channel Billynou. This video is going to be a bit different today. I wanted to take you through some of the things that I make and how they fit and how they actually look on the body. I make a lot of overalls and trousers using vintage French fabric, so linen and cotton and blends that I buy here in France, and a lot of these overalls are made with those fabrics. So yeah, I'm going to take you through the next drop that I'm going to put on my website, just to show you how everything fits. So this is a size large. I normally wear a medium, but I do quite like wearing a large sometimes as well because I really like baggy clothes. So I'm just going to show you how this large fits on me. Ideally I'd have someone a bit bigger to model it for me, but I don't have that luxury at the moment. So this pair are made with a cotton. It's kind of a medium heavyweight cotton, and it's got these really beautiful little grainy specks throughout the weave, which I love. It kind of gives it this extra texture. So yeah, this is the large, and this is how it fits on me. Got lots of room around these bits, and I really just like lounging around in. So the next pair are my favourite pair from this lot that I'm going to put on my website. They're made with a kind of medium to heavyweight cotton linen blend, I think. Sometimes it's quite hard to tell, but yeah, I think there's a bit of both in there. And they've got these really beautiful hand lace details on the legs and on the pockets as well. I'm just going to put that on and show you how it fits on me. So this is the size I normally wear, and they're still really kind of baggy and nice. This fabric's really just kind of, it feels really wearable, you know, like you can really do stuff in it. It's also got some embroidery on the legs, both legs there. Okay, next I've got another medium, and it's in the same fabric as the one I just tried on. It just hasn't got any of the lace details on it, so it's a bit more kind of simple, plain. These are the original overalls on the website with a slightly tapered leg. Next I've got a pair of wide leg half overalls. So these are the trousers. These are actually a custom order. They're in silk noir. These will be available on the website, small, medium and large. And I can also do different size waistbands if people want something a bit smaller or a bit larger. Yeah, so these are actually a little bit big for me, but I just wanted to show you what they're like. They're a bit big, so they're a size large. This silk noir is really kind of drapey and soft and cozy at the same time. It's really nice to wear. So they're literally the wide leg overalls with the top cut off, turned into trousers. Next I've got, these are some more wide leg trousers, and I love this pair. They're my size, they're a medium. I usually wear, they're kind of supposed to be high-waisted around the middle of your tummy, but you can wear them a bit lower, somewhere in between if you like. Either is fine. And yeah, this pair are amazing. I love them. They're a linen. It's kind of this really nice bouncy drapey linen, which is really fresh and cool in summer and quite cozy in the autumn, kind of winter months. They've got this really nice lace detail on the leg as well. I like wearing them with kind of crop tops or a kind of knotted top. Next up is a pair of wide leg trousers, and these are a size large. These are in a kind of medium heavyweight cotton. Again, it's got some really nice little grainy specks in the weave. These are a bit big for me again, but you can see, get the idea. Very large. And next, I think another pair of wide legs. These are also in a cotton, and it's a kind of, I'd say, a light medium weight cotton. It's also got some grainy bits in it. So this last pair are a medium, and they are the original overalls with the top cut off, so they're called the half overall trousers or pants. These are made with a medium weight cotton. Could have a bit of linen in there as well. Like I said before, sometimes it's quite hard to tell exactly with this vintage fabric. So they haven't got the wide legs, they've got more of a tapered leg. They're quite roomy around the whole crotch area. Nice big side patch pockets. They're also unisex as well. My partner's got a pair of these that he wears all the time, and he looks really good in them. So if you're a man and if you're a man and you fancy trying some, don't hesitate. So all of the trousers and overalls that I've tried on today, just to show you how they fit, are available on my website. That's billynou.com, so head over there and have a look and see if you fancy anything. So as you may know, I also make overalls and other various things in other fabrics as well on my website, but I especially love using this vintage fibre and fabric that I find in France, because it means that we're not making anything, I'm not using anything new to create garments. And for me as an ethos, that's really important. I don't like the feeling of creating lots of new products to go out into the world, but when it's something that's already there, that's already existing, that needs a new life, a new love, then that makes me feel good. So yeah. So this was a bit of a new concept for the video we tried today. So if you like it, let us know in the comments below, subscribe, like, and yeah, we love your feedback, so keep it coming.